SERV Stock Analysis and Price Prediction. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments on my exact play. Serve Robotics sitting at $16.30. It's like 15%, 16% down for the day. This is like, yeah, a little bit of a pull down from what we're used to seeing Serve actually deliver. What was my idea though? I mean, originally I wanted to see the price continue to make new highs, but today, what was the case? We pretty much opened just here, and there was no point for me to just commit with this one because that was my target, you know. So I'm gonna get rid of everything. Let's see if there's like an opportunity to really be a part of additional movements to the upside. Generally speaking, yes, I'm not gonna sit here and play games, but really tell you that I'm not gonna buy unless the price really gives me the rules, because anything else is just gonna be me trying to force things, and which is not what I do. So I'm just gonna put a wait sign here, and like literally what I'm gonna do is just simply wait, and that's it. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, just check the photos link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.